This style is the most requested style on my Instagram, and so many of you were asking me, how do I recreate this look? I want to try something different. I want to add some length to my locks and just, just have fun with it. Hello guys, welcome to my first video on this channel. So if you can't tell, I have Microlocs. So these are my Microlocs, okay? But yes, they do look a bit different to normal Microlocs, and that is because I added curly extensions to the ends of my Microlocs. But this is what my locks normally look like, and this is what I'm working with now. Now, I love my natural Microlocs. I've been locked for almost 3 years. Wow. Almost 3 years, but I wanted to do something different for my 30th birthday and a holiday that I was going to, which was in Zanzibar. And so this is what I came up with. I have been enjoying this for the best part of 2 months and really just having so much fun styling it and just having fun with it, really. And I'm going to be showing you how to recreate this beautiful style on your Microlocs.
The main things you're going to need for this style is the hair you're adding, a crochet hook and a water spray. The amount of hair that you use should either match the density of your locks or be a little bit less, okay? This is going to make it much more seamless when you attach it to your lock. Because the hair is super silky, I'm going to wet the end of it to give me more grip as I add it to my lock. Now I'm going to take the crochet hook and towards the end of my lock, I am going to put that in. And then I will hook the hair extensions onto the crochet hook. And once you've pulled your hair through, you should have 2 bits of hair on either side of your lock. One side should be long and the other side should be just longer than your lock. Now I'm ready to braid. I'm going to share some hair from the longer side and join that with my lock and braid it all the way down until my lock is completely in the braid. If you don't want all your hard work to slide out after a couple of days, then you need to secure your ends like this. So I'm going to get a really tiny piece of hair and do 2 knots at the bottom of the braid to secure it. And then I'm going to get my crochet hook and that same tiny piece of hair that I had tied the 2 knots with, I'm going to hook that through, tie another knot, and I'm going to repeat this process about 3 or 4 times. And there we have it, guys. So that is how I achieved this beautiful style on my Microlocs. And yes, the process was long, but just look at this. It's such a beautiful style and I'm having so much fun with it. And if you follow this technique, I'm sure this could last upwards of 6 months. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try this, and any questions as well, just drop them down below.
So very, very popular question I get on my Instagram and TikTok is, what hair did I use? And so the truth is, I actually bought this in 2020. Okay, this hair is 5 years old. Okay, and I bought this in 2020 and I made it into a wig at the time. And when I decided to try this style out, I was like, should I buy new hair or should I just use the wig that I have and just cut the hair off of that? And so I actually took the wig that I had made and cut the hair from that wig and I used it. Like, why not? Why will I spend another few £100s buying hair that I'm going to just cut and put in and take out again after a few months? So this is the hair that I use. It's from a company called Crotchet, okay? And they do a lot of human hair, different type of curls. You know what? I find that their hair is quite good quality. But anyways, so this is the bundles. I think I bought about 3 or 4 bundles. I can't remember, but there's still quite, well, I say there's still a bit of hair left. It doesn't look great, but once you brush it and put water in it, it looks absolutely fine and good as new. If you are looking to buy the same hair, go onto the Crotchet website and look for the loose deep wave bundles. I think for my hair I needed about 2 bundles. You don't want to use too much hair when you're doing this style because it's just going to be very heavy and uncomfortable. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video useful, helpful, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. If you do want to follow me on my other social medias, you can find me at eatlovelocs on Instagram and also on TikTok. But thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.